God bless everybody. God bless. I hope you guys have all had a wonderful day. I have been up since 5:30 in the morning. I don't know why, but I've been getting up really early, and it could be because I've been finding myself praying a lot and meditating, and with everything that's going on, I have to take out the time and pray. I can't let the anxiety and the fear take over. I have to make sure that I submit and pray, amongst all the stuff that's going on, this global pandemic with this coronavirus and stuff. It's easy to go ahead and fall victim to fear, and we have to, make sure we always put faith over fear. And one of the ways you do that is pray. You always have to pray. You always have to surrender everything to God. Give all your anxieties, your fears, your worries, put it in God's hands and let God take care of it. And that's sort of what this painting, this digital painting is about. Focus on Jesus Christ, not the storm. I hope you guys enjoy. This is a behind the scenes how it comes together, and like I said, I hope you guys enjoy. If you like this video and would like to go ahead and see more videos, make sure you go ahead, hit the like button, hit the notification bell, so that way you get notified when more videos pop up. And don't forget to go ahead and hit stop by artbyrichie.com, where you can read my latest blog. You know, if you want to go ahead and support this channel and support this website, you know, artists. The life of an artist is not easy. It's pretty difficult and challenging. You can always purchase a t-shirt or this painting. Alright, thank you guys for visiting. Make sure you guys check out the links below this video. Have a blessed day, and God bless you.